And you go home and wash it right away, all that will come out.
I hope so.
Is that good, buddy?
Mario's outfit. Mario's outfit that he bought. Look what you did. You made a mess. Oh my goodness. You made a mess.
Make him feel bad.
Yeah, he loves to make messes. That's it. Oh, he's licking it. All right. Hi, everybody. Look at me. I made a mess.
Look at Daddy.
Cheese.
It's fine, Mother. It's fine.
Mira, acá está cansado. Good balance. Wow, good balance. Good job.
His hand in it. His hand in it.
Look, stick your hand in there.
Adam, put your hand in it.
Ew. We're finished.
Rick, you need to stand over here. Oh, look, stick your hand in there.
No,
Grab it.
okay.
Yes, grab it. Good. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Get it. Get it, Daddy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. All right. Oh, I got that. That's a good one. Yay.